Today I want to show you how to put pasta back on the menu with a high protein, high fibre pasta dish that is perfectly balanced and proportioned for most women. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. So I've sautéed a whole red onion, garlic, carrot in olive oil and added some capers and a whole tin of cherry tomatoes. This is going to serve two, and I like a lot of sauce because it packs in lots of vegetables. You can get over 250 grams of vegetables per serving when you do it like this. So you have to reduce it down a little bit, although I do add a little bit more water and some oregano and then cook it down again. Next, I add sardines. I go for sardines in olive oil. These have got a little bit of lemon in. One tin serves two people, and this boosts up the protein by about 12 grams per person. So eating more protein and fibre is really important because it helps to balance our blood sugar levels and helps us to stay full up for longer, and we get to use that energy between meals. Next, I've added some parsley, and then I mix it through again until it becomes really thick. Then I add the magic ingredient, which is the yellow pea pasta, which has 21 grams of protein per 100 grams and over 11 grams of fibre. So this means that the finished product has over 30 grams of protein, which will make us feel really good for the rest of the evening or all afternoon. I hope you enjoy this recipe.